Hey guys, welcome to the second episode of the Mac and Scott Show with a side of dill. Last month's episode went great. This episode is even more exciting because we have an all-new JOMAster.
Yes, we do. And also this week our guys are going to do some lead education, how to deal with lead around old houses. And so we're going to show you a little bit about lead this week.
And we're also going to take you to a JOMA Job site and show you around.
Hell yeah. But first, let's talk about cabinet options at JOMA. We are surrounded by beautiful cabinets.
And we will be telling you about these cabinets in a minute, but first we're going to take you to a couple other sites and show you some other options that we have for cabinets.
Like this gorgeous install by Spags cabinets, which features custom colors, faces for appliances, and all kinds of nice little features.
That was neato. What else you got?
Sure, Scott, you remember this Athens install by Weber Coleman Woodworks featuring custom colors, faces for appliances, and all kinds of nice little features.
You got anything else?
Why sure, look at this installation by Dalton Carpet One featuring custom colors, faces for appliances, and all kinds of neat little features.
I don't think I can tell the difference.
Exactly, because they're all nice cabinet options. These are JOMA cabinets. Well, not exactly. We got them from the US Cabinet Depot and our expert carpenters installed them. We get US Cabinet Depot cabinets because we can provide quality cabinets designed in-house. Here's Russ working up a plan for the customer to preview in 3D. Fast turnaround times due to the fact that we can drive to this sprawling warehouse in Norcross to grab an almost unlimited selection of cabinets and accessories. Thank you, US Cabinet Depot, for letting Dylan fly a drone through your warehouse. And installed by JOMA carpenters to ensure perfect quality. Giving us the most control over all of the critical cabinet variables.
If I find my way home, yeah. Wouldn't it be crazy? But you still amaze me.
All I do is prepare the surface that's going to be tested.
What I do is take a razor knife here,
Trim all the way through the paint to the surface below so that you get all the layers. Once you do that, you take the swab and you crush the A and you crush the B on the test kit. Once those are broken, shake it up, give it a little squeeze, and you see the liquid comes out there. Once you have the liquid, you just rub it into that spot. Just rub it into that spot. Rub it into that spot. You can see that this spot turned pink. That means lead is present.
Buenos días a todos. Mi nombre es José Luis. Trabajo para JOMA. Soy carpintero. Sé hacer remodelaciones, trim, puertas, ventanas. Mi favorito trabajo es el trim, poner puertas y ventanas. Me gusta hacer todo, pero es mi favorito. Estoy muy contento de estar en esta compañía. Saludo a todos. ¿Por weekend? Me gusta estar con la familia, compartir, ir a comer en familia. Tengo cuatro hijos. Yeah. Tengo 18 años de casado. Mi hijo el mayor tiene 16 años. El segundo va a cumplir 12. Y el tercero tiene 9. Y el cuarto tiene 3 años. Me siento muy contento con mi familia.